Good morning, Meenu. Good morning, Futta. What are you doing? Where is Chinu?
Good morning, Buzz. We are fixing the chicks' fence. Chinu has gone to get some wire for us.
Oh, why? What happened?
Buzz, the wire in this corner broke. If we don't repair it, the naughty cat can come inside through this and trouble the chicks.
Here, Meenu. I have got some wire to fix the fence. Let's fix it now. Futta, hold that end tightly. I will tie a knot here. Okay, little chicks, your fence is ready now.
Buzz, can you find out the perimeter of this fence?
Perimeter? What is a perimeter? I have never heard of this word before. I don't know how to find the perimeter of this fence. Meenu, will you teach me to find the perimeter?
Buzz, I don't have to teach you to find the perimeter. You know it already. Can you find out the length of the boundary of this fence?
Yes, Meenu, I know how to do that. I can easily find out the length of the boundary of this fence with my meter rope.
So silly, Buzz. Perimeter is just that. Length of the boundary is called the perimeter.
Length of the boundary is called the perimeter. I did not know that. You never told me that before.
Okay, Buzz. Now you know. The length of the boundary is called the perimeter. Will you measure it now?
I will. But first, let me go get my meter rope. I have my meter rope now. Let me measure the length of the boundary of the chick's fence. No. The perimeter of the chick's fence. It is 10 plus 8 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. Let me add it in my mind fast. 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 10. Then 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. 20 plus 17 is equal to 37. 37 meters. So, the perimeter of the chick's fence is 37 meters.
You are right, Buzz. You know about perimeter now.
Can I find out the perimeter of something else also?
Okay, come here. This is my pencil box. Can you find the perimeter of my pencil box?
That is so easy, Meenu. I will take your scale to measure the length of the sides. It is 10 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 10 centimeters plus 3 centimeters, 10 plus 3 plus 10 plus 3, which is equal to 26. 26 centimeters. So the perimeter of this pencil box is 26 centimeters.
You are right, Buzz. You are getting smarter. Can you now find out the area of this pencil box?
Area? What is that? How do I find out the area of this pencil box?
Buzz, you don't remember anything. You forget everything so fast. Remember, Grandma taught us about area one day with chocolates.
Oh, now I remember. But still, you find out the area for one and I will do the rest.
Okay, Buzz, I will do this for you. It is 10 centimeters multiplied by 3 centimeters. 10 multiplied by 3 is equal to 30. So, the area of this pencil box is 30 square centimeters. Now don't tell me that you have forgotten as to why we write square centimeters.
Oh, no, Meenu. I remember that. We placed squares of 1 centimeter each inside different figures and calculated the area. That's why we write the area as square centimeter.
That's right, Buzz. We can place 30 squares of 1 centimeter each in Meenu's pencil box. So, the area of this pencil box is 30 square centimeters.
Now I know what a perimeter and area is. They are different.
Yes, Buzz. The length of the boundary of any shape is called its perimeter. The surface inside that shape is called its area. So the perimeter of Meenu's pencil box is 26 centimeters. Its area is 30 square centimeters. Okay, now I am going to the garden to play. Do you all want to come with me?
Yes, Chinu. Let's go.
Good morning, Ramu uncle. You are building a really beautiful house. But why are you sad?
Good morning, children. I am happy you like the house. I am trying to fix tiles for this room. I want to fix tiles of 1 square meter each. But I don't know how many tiles to buy. That's why I am sad.
Oh, Ramu uncle, that's no problem. We will help you to calculate. Do you know the size of this room?
Yes, Chino. The room is in the shape of a rectangle. The length of the room is 12 meters and the width of the room is 8 meters.
Thank you, uncle. Now we have to find the area of the room first. It is 12 meters multiplied by 8 meters. 12 multiplied by 8 is equal to 96. So the area of the room is 96 square meters. Uncle, The size of each of your tile is 1 square meter. So you need 96 such tiles to fix in this room. Uncle, you have to buy 96 tiles for this room.
Thank you, Chinu. I am very happy now. Now I know how many tiles I should buy to fix in this room.
You are welcome, Ramu uncle. If you find out the area, then you can easily find out the number of tiles.
You are all very smart children. Now I also know how to find out the area. Children, I have to do a design also in the tile. The design is like this. Do you like the design?
Yes, Ramu uncle. The design is very nice. But how will you make these triangles?
Buzz, the triangle tile is half of the square meter tile. So, Ramu uncle has to cut the square meter tile diagonally to make 2 triangle tiles.
Oh, it's like that. 2 of these triangle tiles together form 1 square meter tile. This is really interesting. We can make many designs like this.
Yes, Buzz. This is how we make designs on the floor. Children, can you help once more?
Yes, uncle. We will. What do you want us to do?
There is a small square garden at the back of the house. Come with me. I will show it to you. Look, this is the garden. I have to fence it. I have 28 meters of fencing wire. It will cover all the 4 sides. But I want to know the length of each side of the garden. Is it possible?
Yes, Ramu uncle. It is possible to find out the length of each side of the garden. I will tell you how. This is a square garden. So, the length of all the sides will be equal. You said 28 meters of fencing wire will cover all 4 sides. So, the length of the boundary of this square garden is 28 meters.
Oh, I know. The perimeter of this square garden is 28 meters.
You are right, Buzz. Now I will tell you, Ramu uncle. The perimeter of this square is 28 meters. That means the length of all 4 sides is 28 meters. Its 4 sides are equal because it's a square. So the length of each side is 28 divided by 4, which is equal to 7. That is 7 meters. The length of each of the 4 sides of this square garden is 7 meters.
Oh, you have done it so easily. Even I should have done it, but I did not think properly. Can we find the area of this garden now?
Yes, Ramu uncle. We know the length of the sides of this square garden. So, we can easily find the area also. Let me do it. The length of the sides is 7 meters each. So, the area is 7 meters multiplied by 7 meters. 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 49. It is 49 square meters. So, the area of this square garden is 49 square meters.
Thank you, Futta. Now I know the area of this square garden also.
Yes, Ramu uncle. If we know the perimeter of a square shape, we can easily find its area. That is because if we know the perimeter of a square shape, then we can find out the length of each side of that shape. When we know the length of the sides, we can easily find out the area.
Thank you, children. Now I am very happy. I will go and do my designs now.
Bye, Ramu uncle. We are going to the garden to play.
This is interesting, Meenu. Only today I got to know that if we know the perimeter of a square shape, we can easily find its area. Can you give me one question, please? I will try to do it.
Okay, Buzz, you try this. Here is a kite that has fallen down. Futta, will you help us measure the side of this kite, please?
Yes, Meenu. It is a square kite. So, I have to measure only one side. The length of one side is 30 centimeters.
Thank you, Futta. Buzz, can you now find out the perimeter and area of this square kite?
I will try, Meenu. First, I will find out the perimeter. Each side of the square kite is 30 centimeters. So, the perimeter is 30 centimeters plus 30 centimeters plus 30 centimeters plus 30 centimeters. I can also do it as 30 multiplied by 4, which is 120. So, the perimeter of this square kite is 120 centimeters.
You are right, Buzz. The perimeter or the length of all the sides of this square kite is 120 centimeters. Now can you find out the area?
I know how to do that. It is 30 centimeters multiplied by 30 centimeters. That is 900 square centimeters. So, the area of this kite is 900 square centimeters. Is it right, Meenu?
Yes, Buzz. You are right. You are really smart. Look, we have reached the garden. Buzz, can you now try this? Look at this seesaw. It is rectangular in shape. Suppose I take a long string which is 680 centimeters in length to cover all four sides of the seesaw. Can you find out its perimeter and area?
Meenu, look at Chinu. He's troubling me. No one can answer this question. This is not a square. It is a rectangle.
Oh, Buzz, Chinu is fooling you. He said he would take a long string of 680 centimeters in length to cover all four sides of the seesaw. That means the perimeter of the seesaw is 680 centimeters.
Oh, I am really stupid. How did I not think of it? If the string covers all the four sides, then it is the length of the boundary or the perimeter. Chinu, I know the answer. The perimeter is 680 centimeters.
You didn't know the answer. Putta helped you. Anyway, I asked you for the area also. Now tell me what the area is.
How can I find out the area now? It is not even a square. You are troubling me again, Chinu.
So what? Oh, Buzz, don't cry now. I will give you one more measurement. If the width of this seesaw is 60 centimeters, can you find out the area now?
I am thinking. I am thinking hard.
It's okay, Buzz. Stop thinking so hard. I will help you in this. First of all, we must remember that it is a rectangle. So, all four sides will not be equal. Let me draw a rectangle in the ground and write it now. Okay, this is a rectangle. Chinu said that the width of the rectangle is 60 centimeters. So, both these sides are 60 centimeters each. You know that the perimeter is 680 centimeters. That means the length of all four sides is 680 centimeters. Now, the length of two sides is 60 centimeters plus 60 centimeters, which is 120 centimeters. So, the length of the other two sides is 680 centimeters minus 120 centimeters, which is 560 centimeters. Buzz, at least now tell me what is the length of each of this side.
I know that. It is 560 divided by 2, which is 280. So the length of these two sides is 280 centimeters each. See, I know how to do this. Now I will check the perimeter again. It is 280 centimeters plus 60 centimeters plus 280 centimeters plus 60 centimeters. That is 680 centimeters. It is correct.
I know that the perimeter is correct. But what about the area?
Okay, Chinu, I know how to do it now. It is 280 centimeters multiplied by 60 centimeters. That is 280 multiplied by 60. Let me write it down and multiply slowly.
Buzz, you don't have to do it like that. You just have to multiply. 28 multiplied by 6. Do it now.
Okay, Futta. 28 multiplied by 6 is equal to 168. I have done it. It is 168.
Okay. 28 multiplied by 6 is equal to 168. We have to do 280 multiplied by 60. Just add 2 zeros. So, it is 16,800. So, the area of this seesaw is 16,800 square centimeters.
Oh, it is simple. Now I understand.
You always find things simple after we do it. Okay, come, let's all play on this seesaw. Let's go back home now. Ma will be worried. Buzz, Raja, come fast.
Oh, look, look. Look at that tree. Meenu, Cheenu, the monkeys are fighting. Let me fly up and see why they are fighting. Meenu, these two monkeys were fighting. I brought them down. They have 2 biscuits, but both of them feel that this biscuit is bigger than the other one and want it. I told them that we will find out.
Oh, Buzz, you are smarter now. Even you can find out if both biscuits are the same or if one is bigger than the other. Futta can help you.
Okay, monkeys, stop fighting. Give me your biscuits. Let me measure both of them. The length of this biscuit is 10 centimeters and the width is 6 centimeters. Buzz, can you find out the perimeter and area of this biscuit?
Yes, Futta. Let me find out the perimeter first. It is 10 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 10 centimeters plus 6 centimeters. That is 32 centimeters. The perimeter of this biscuit is 32 centimeters. Now, the area of this biscuit is 10 centimeters multiplied by 6 centimeters, which is 60 square centimeters. The area of this biscuit is 60 square centimeters.
That's good, Buzz. Futta, now will you measure the other biscuit also?
Yes, Cheenu. The length of this biscuit is 20 centimeters and the width is 3 centimeters.
I will find out the perimeter and area of this biscuit now. The perimeter is 20 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 20 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. That is 46 centimeters. The perimeter is 46 centimeters. The area of this biscuit is 20 centimeters multiplied by 3 centimeters, which is 60 square centimeters. Oh, the area of this biscuit is also 60 square centimeters.
Oh, you silly monkeys! Both the biscuits have the same area. So they both are the same. They look different, because their perimeter is different.
That's right. You are sillier than me. The length of the boundary or the shape can be different, but the area can be the same. So this biscuit, which looks longer, is the same as the other biscuit.
Monkeys, stop fighting now. Both the biscuits are the same size. You can take any one.
Thank you, Meenu. Thank you, Chinu. Here, Monku, take the bigger piece.
Friends, don't be silly like the monkeys. The perimeter or the length of the boundary or the shape of any two figures can be different, but their area could be the same. You can also find out the perimeter and area of your classroom or any room in your home. Don't you think it's lots of fun? Let's help Bert fill in the blanks. The length of the boundary of any shape is called the perimeter. The length of the boundary of any shape is called the perimeter. Is the surface that is inside the boundary of any shape. Area is the surface that is inside the boundary of any shape. When we add all the sides of any shape, we get the length of the boundary of that shape or its perimeter. When we add all the sides of any shape, we get the length of the boundary of that shape or its perimeter. Of any two shapes can be different, but their area can be the same. Perimeter of any two shapes can be different, but their area can be the same. Shall we help Rabbit find out the perimeter of the following shapes? $20 centimeters, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20. 20 centimeters. Thirty centimeters. 11 plus 4 plus 11 plus 4 is equal to 30. 30 centimeters. 29 centimeters. 11 plus 9 plus 9 is equal to 29. 29 centimeters. 34 centimeters. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 34. 34 centimeters. 24 centimeters. 10 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to 24. 24 centimeters. 21 centimeters. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 21. 21 centimeters. 38 centimeters. 7 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 38. 38 centimeters. 28 centimeters. 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 28. 28 centimeters. Will you help Parrot to find out the area of these shapes? "64 square centimeters." 8 into 8 is equal to 64. 64 square centimeters. "50 square centimeters." 10 into 5 is equal to 50. 50 square centimeters. "90 square centimeters." 15 into 6 is equal to 90. 90 square centimeters. "36 square centimeters." 6 into 6 is equal to 36. 36 square centimeters. "1,000 square centimeters." 100 into 10 is equal to 1,000. 1,000 square centimeters. "200 square centimeters." 50 into 4 is equal to 200. 200 square centimeters. Let us help Buzz match the areas with the shapes. "25 square centimeters." 50 square centimeters. 49 square centimeters. 60 square centimeters. Thirty-three square centimeters. Thirty-six square centimeters. Friends, will you help Parrot to find out the correct answer? Sita Amma fenced her square-shaped kitchen garden with thick wire. The length of the wire was 40 meters. Can you tell how long each side of the garden was? (10 meters). Perimeter of the garden is equal to 40 meters. It is a square garden, so length of all four sides will be equal. So, 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. 10 meters. Length of each side of the garden was 10 meters. The length of the sides of square shape is 9 centimeters each. Will you find out the perimeter and area of the shape? Perimeter. (36 centimeters). Nine plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. 36 centimeters. Perimeter is 36 centimeters. Area (81 square centimeters). Nine into 9 is equal to 81. 81 square centimeters. Area is 81 square centimeters. Salim stitched lace border for a rectangle shaped cloth. He used 90 centimeters of lace. If the width of the rectangle cloth was 15 centimeters, can you find out its length? Perimeter of the rectangle cloth is equal to 90 centimeters. Width of the cloth is equal to 15 centimeters. Width of both sides is equal to 15 into 2 is equal to 30. Perimeter is equal to length plus width. Perimeter minus width is equal to length. 90 minus 30 is equal to 60. Length of one side is equal to 60 divided by 2, which is 30. 30 centimeters. Length of the cloth was 30 centimeters. Length of the cloth was 30 centimeters. The perimeter of a rectangle shape is 34 centimeters. The length of the rectangle is 11 centimeters. Can you find the width of the rectangle and its area? Perimeter is equal to length plus width. So, perimeter minus length is equal to width. 34 minus 22 is equal to 12. Width of both sides is 12 centimeters. So, width of one side is 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Width is 6 centimeters. Area. (66 square centimeters). 11 into 6 is equal to 66. Area is 66 square centimeters. Raju has a postcard. Its width is 9 centimeters. The area of the postcard is 126 square centimeters. Can you find the length and perimeter of the postcard? Area is equal to length into width. So, length is equal to area divided by width. So, 126 divided by 9 is equal to 14 centimeters. So, length is 14 centimeters. Perimeter of the postcard: 14 plus 9 plus 14 plus 9 is equal to 46 centimeters. Perimeter is 46 centimeters.
Okay, friends.